Oh my god, the storm just blew the windows out or in. Look at that, how strong the wind is. Oh my gosh, what a mess.
Another powerful storm is sweeping across the Golden State, bringing high winds, heavy rain and mountain snow to an area that has seen storm after storm since December. Rain falling on saturated ground causes flash floods and landslides. Strong winds blow through unrooted trees in this wet ground, causing power outages and damage to cars and homes. As of Tuesday evening, more than 250,000 people were without power, the majority in the San Francisco area. We continue to see strong gusts of 75 to 80 miles per hour, locally up to 85 miles per hour over the East Bay as the center of the strong surface low approaches the Golden Gate Bridge. The winds blew away high-rise buildings in the financial district. The San Francisco Fire Department told KTVU that no one was injured by the falling glass. As the continued rain tapers off from north to south, showers and thunderstorms move into Wednesday. This means flash floods with lots of rain and snow in a short time and more destructive winds. Rain began falling in California on Monday evening and poured into Tuesday. Showers and possible thunderstorms will take over and slowly drift south across the state on Wednesday.